On today's video, it's an application called the Sweatcoin, which pays you for every step you take. So let's go to my account. Watch the whole video because Panama tricks on Ofangokita. So today I've made 190 steps. On average, I make something like 20,000 steps a day. So upon all now booster my steps by running. Right now I'm doing 21 Sweatcoin. One Sweatcoin equivalent to 1 cent. So I say cryptocurrency ro na kwira ro gonna but right now it's equivalent to 1 cent. So I need 21 cents. So make sure to not select a German as you can't but no register bye. Is a country is German. And guys, my application is on two. So I'm gonna Sweatcoin, then a Sweatcoin wallet. Kuno wallet niko kaona itamashi ma withdraw. So right now nini yangu mara site ya reflector. Pa no download a Sweatcoin wallet. Ino versinga ini Sweatcoin app rere. Information yako inongo singa in. Saka pananya. And it's easy for you to register these accounts, guys. Very easy. Very easy. So guys, if you love my NFT, Web3, blockchain, crypto, this is your channel, guys. Subscribe. I'll make a video exchange because your Sweatcoin already challenge exchange my application to just this application exchange America to USD. But for the meantime, because you need to go to my exchange, my application, my exchange. Sana okay exchange. Then you move your money go over a converter it USD. And we store crypto. What else I know now? So guys, plus another VPN. You need VPN to run my application now. Very easy, guys. You can get a follow up. Okay, download a VPN yako papa. Odi voice a server akore German or pesa. VPN is a server akore German auto siana na VPN. Then auto pinda my application akore Sweatcoin. Kungwesa phone mongo. Then ngish ngo record ama steps pana ngo famba chi. Unfortunately ndushanisa iPhone. For Android very easy. Android kungo download a C phone. Ka download a C phone then you download a C phone VPN. Then we should download my application akari 2 re Sweatcoin the Sweatcoin wallet. Then auto register. Simple. With my iPhone, I just go in description. Dine video how to set up the iPhone because iPhone my apps are can't download. Nongo mana mu Play Store, mu Google App Store. So I can write a video, separate video for my iPhone users. Stream description. Just go and click. Then you want out offer. Please guys, monitor our my challenges. Mungo my comment. I'll try to help everyone. I think as time goes on, she'll create a WhatsApp group.